In this video, I'm gonna plant some seed to get big one. Yeah, I have Mr. Carrot doing seed in this. I think we start planting. Yes, got some Mr. Carrots. Got some tons of Mr. Carrots. I have 4 coconut. I coco tank. 2 carbanus plant. 2 grapes, 4 coco tank seed, and I have 3 tomatillo, 8 watermelon, 1 shumbino, 3 tomatillo, 8 watermelon. Yes, and let's water them up to hope I get big one. Please someone for one. Please someone see one. Please someone see one. I need some big. Let's see. Okay. Let's wait. Oh, we have pretty good. Little tank. Oh, watermelon. Oh, potting up. Oh, we have some potting up. Okay. Let's grinder. Okay. Oh, big carbon is gone. Okay. Not bad. I'm almost out of water. There's some water here. Oh, my Mr. Carrot is cold. Sorry, I paused it. Okay, let's continue. Okay. Oh my god. What is this? We have some big carbanus plant. Please. We have tons of seconds. We ritual. I think my ritual is good. But this ritual is ritual. I need some big one. Oh, mango seed has been restocked. Shumbino seed has been restocked, huh? I think the admin abuse is not over yet. So, we have some seeds. Oh, all the seeds has been restocked. Just look at my garden. It's a mess. So guys, I think it's that 100%. Even the coco tank too. Okay, the grapes, not too bad. Oh my god, it's so wonderful. Definitely bad. Oh, I have big tomatillo. Big tomatillo. Big tomatillo. Please. Please, mango. Please, mango. Okay, let's ignore that. Please, mango. Mango. Big mango, please. Big mango. I need big mango. No, I have no water. But you can ritual it. Bro, the lemon king is not quite so. Oh, shumbino. Bro, it's not much. But this video we get gold coco tank, gold Mr. Carrots, big grapes, and big carbanus, big tomatillo, and pretty decent So this is my luck now. Fuck this luck. Oh, sorry. Get out this luck. Never using this again. I will never use it. I will never use it. Please, good mango. Do you want it? Okay. The first mango, first drawing. Please pick one. Oh, oh, gold! Yes, gold! Oh, my ritual is kind of working. Let's see, it's the water and stuff. Not water. The mango we're getting is. Oh, there's a boss. This boss is cook. Look at my army of plants. Yeah. There is cook. Bye bye. What the? How's that? Ah. He's from in the cabinet plant. Bruh. Cook it. Dead. Bye bye. See, shop is up. This mango. Bruh, it almost. Let's see. Nah, the mango grow up, man. Nah. So, of that all, this is my garden. I removed some my fruit and my brain rot. So this is my garden right now. And I will see you next video. Peace.